When you first get started drawing, it's hard to know what to draw. And part of your drawing practice can be cutting out pictures if you have magazines, or going out with your camera and taking photos, and look for things that draw you for some reason. Okay, I'm from Minnesota. I love loons. And this is at the Walker Art Center. It's an icon of Minnesota. So the Ojibwe are a part of Minnesota. I have a thing for maps. I have a thing for flowers and vegetation and shapes of plants. I love to garden, and these kind of are exciting to me. I don't know that I'll draw them, but I cut this stuff out. You know, part of your art practice is making a home that you're comfortable in. Boy, I could use one of these in my entryway, actually. And I just cut out things that interest me. One thing I'm always working on is a cleaner home. Flowers, I could draw. This is a nice still life. You can tell I love flowers. This, I liked the hand-done lettering. That was a thing for a while. I don't know that it is that much of a thing anymore, but I love hand lettering. And I love vegetables. I think that's a really beautiful illustration style. Any kind of idea that grabs your mind. This would make a really cool watercolor. Ooh. That might be inspiring for today. That's how you find your inspiration. This is kind of like how I'd like to make my acrylic paintings. And I can kind of see what I'm going for. Typography. This is just kind of a cool way to arrange things so that they seem orderly. These are notes. Things I might want to watercolor. I'm working on a painting of a horse, and I'm kind of stuck. This I would love to change up a little bit. I love this illustration style of people and this composition, this circular composition. So I encourage you to get a notebook. Doesn't have to be anything special, and just start gathering things that you might be interested in when you're wondering what you want to draw.